Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if your MP4 is corrupted, so we can repair it. So how to repair it and restore the data? So let's start the process. So first of all guys, you need to install the VLC media player and you need to double click on it. Okay, once you double click on it, you need to go to media, then you need to go to convert and save. Now you need to add the corrupted file and folder. Let's say I have chosen this folder, so its extension is MP4. Click on open, and once you click on open, you need to click on convert and save. Now in here, destination, choose the destination where it will be repaired. Click on browse, and let's say I'm giving the documents location and change the extension to AVI. This is the file extension of the VLC. Click on start. Now you can see the progress. It will go to here and check back if that fix your issue or not. So while we are on this page, we can also go to tools, then we need to go to preferences, and in the preferences, let me make it bigger. We need to scroll down and we are going to looking for the option which says repair all options video. Choose this option, go to input and codecs and choose this option, damage and incomplete AVI file. Click on always fix and save it. So let me go to the documents here. See, this is a corrupted file video AVI. So after, it should repair your MP4 file. If it doesn't fix your issue, we can change the extension directly from here. Like this is a video. Okay, rename it, change the name test.avi. Hit yes, and let's say if it was the MP4 like this, we need to change it from MP4 to AVI. Go to view and take this option, file and extensions, and see if that works for you or not. See, this is in a progress. So I hope guys, after applying these methods, your MP4 is fixed. If it is still not fixed guys, you can re-download it. So after applying these methods, if your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.